Alright guys, got another unboxing from APMEX. Alright. So what I got is 40 ounces right here from the Sunshine Mint. It should be. Let's see. Alright. They should be the Morgan Silver Dollar design. This tape that they put on here is just awful. Like, it just comes apart. Oh, there's 2 layers of tape. That's different. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. So yeah, got 40 of those. And this is great right here. You guys will like this. 2 10-ounce bars from Sunshine Mint as well. I figured I'd get some silver that actually had some more security things on it, just in case in the future it'll be a little bit easier to sell or trade or whatnot if they got the Mint Mark SI on there. But yeah, I don't know. These are my first. I have a couple of these already, some of these Morgans from them, but I don't have any bars from them, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please subscribe to the channel, and is there any specific kind of silver you guys would like to see, you let me know. I'm always down for buying stuff, especially if it's a good deal. So, alright, bye.